Hey guys, welcome back to another Geo's Reviews. And today we have BOYA Magic. Now this is a AI powered transformable wireless microphone. And I'm excited because, and this is something that really is going to come in handy for vlogging. And even just like if you're making TikTok videos or whatever, it could be really a great addition for that. And also they sent out a desktop stand. So we're going to check these out and see just how well they perform. Stick around for today's video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got in the box as always here. First off, we'll start off with the stand. All right, guys, so here is the stand, very solid. It doesn't raise up or anything, but you really don't need it to. Here it's got the horseshoe connection, tightening. So this is going to come in really handy when using this, especially like if I'm doing live streams or something like that. I can put it right on the desk, right in front of me, and it's very portable as well. Let's put this off to the side. Next up, we got the microphone setup itself. Now, this is great, guys, because this comes with the little travel bag and everything here. So very nice that they include all of this. And it's really nice because it's got these pockets up here, the inside, and more pockets. Okay, and here's the microphone itself. Now, it's got the wind cover on it, of course. This thing is fantastic. This is going to be really, really handy. And of course, this opens up and you got two more microphones right here, which are magnetic. They come with a little magnetic or clip. And then they work right in here if you want it to be just a solo mic for maybe on the street type interviews. So we're going to go ahead and test out these microphones and see just how well they work. Now, I was using the DJI, so you can see for yourself just how well they work. All right, guys, so we have switched to the BOYA microphone. BOYA claims to have replaced 4 different microphones in one setup. So you guys let me know how the sound is compared to the previous portion of the video where I was using the DJI mic. So guys, this is a 4-in-1 design. It's got a lavalier clip-on, handheld, like I'm using now, desktop with that tripod, or on a camera mount. It's got AI noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, and that was tested out on 700,000+ noise samples. High quality audio. It's compact, easy to travel with, weighing just a simple 7 grams. And it's compatible. It's got USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm attachments. So guys, this can be perfect for an interior or condo type setting, outdoor setting with noisy backgrounds, outdoor windy location, a cafe that maybe has some talking and some music playing in the background. This can work perfect for that as well. Now, the pros to it is this covers a lot of different shooting styles. It's got good quality sound and effective noise cancellation. It's compact, it's easy to travel with, so great for vlogging, like travel, easy to throw into a backpack and go. And the price is under many pro kits for the range of features that it boasts. Now, a couple of negatives that I did see, the microphones are omnidirectional, meaning it doesn't pick up sound directly in one direction. It's picking up sound from all around versus just picking up from like me talking directly, but it still does a very good job with its noise cancellation. So if you shoot only on one style, you might not need all the modes, but still it's a great value. So should you buy it? That's the question. You know, for creators who are on the go and need something lightweight and easy to travel with, then this is a perfect setup for you because it's lightweight, it's perfect for multiple situations and very easy, like I said, to throw in your backpack and go. So if you're carrying more than one mic now, smartphone, camera, desktop, the BOYA Magic could replace 2 or 3 of them and free up a lot of space in your kit bag. Guys, if you want to pick this microphone up, there will be a link in the description, also the pinned comment. I do highly recommend it. You let me know how the sound is. I think it sounded great when I was editing. I hardly could tell the difference from the DJI versus the BOYA. So let me know down in the comments, guys. Pick yourself up one of these. Again, The accessories are fantastic. Now, if you do want the desktop tripod, that is sold separately. There's also a link for that in the description. Thank you guys for watching. This has been another one of Gio's reviews, and I will see you in the next review. Ciao.